starting small doesn't mean staying small. I remember nung nag-start ako, I only have this very, very simple setup na yung desktop ko is the cream-colored desktop pa dati. So, yung mga luma pa talaga. And then, ang internet connection ko noon is Smart Bro. I remember. My core skill is writing. So, I do article writing. I offer article writing services. And my rate, would you believe, is $1 per 500 words. I have Indian clients prior. So, these are my humble beginnings. Alam mo, ang sarap na magsimula sa humble beginnings kasi someday, ito yung mga kwentong dadalhin mo. Ito yung mga kwentong isi-share mo that from the humble beginnings, ito ka na ngayon. You've improved. Siyempre, over time, kapag nagkakagain ka na ng momentum sa freelancing, you will add another skill, you will add another client, you will increase your rate, pero huwag kayong matakot to have humble beginnings. Huwag kayong matakot to staying simple. And alam ko marami kayong napapanood na sinasabi na know your worth, know your value, dapat ganito na yung rate nyo, dapat ganito na yung kinikita nyo every month. Well, huwag kayong masyadong magpa-influensya doon sa mga ganung bagay. You have to, pwede nyong gawing inspiration, pwede nyong gawing encouragement, but in this world or in this journey, you will build your own path. You will build your own journey. So, from the humble beginnings, mag-focus ka on what you can do, mag-focus ka on what you currently have, and then over time, just improve. So, just stay simple or just, start simple, start humble, have that humble beginnings, and then see, magpo-progress at mag-i-improve ka din.